In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit card to Stripe easily. Managing your payments and finances efficiently is crucial for any business, and setting up a debit card within Stripe is a fundamental step in doing so. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring a smooth and successful setup. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account. Once you've accessed your dashboard, the first step is to click on the Settings option, which you'll typically find on the left-hand side of your interface. Settings is essentially your command center for all Stripe functions, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this area. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Payments under the Product Settings section. This is where you'll configure payment processing options to suit your business needs. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the Payment Methods section. This is a crucial step as it allows you to manage and view different payment options that your Stripe account can facilitate. By selecting Cards as the first option, you're focusing on enabling card payments, which includes both debit and credit cards. This step is particularly important if your business primarily deals with card transactions, as it ensures that you can efficiently process payments from your customers. Once you've clicked the Cards option, you'll be presented with the option to turn it on. This toggle is straightforward. Switching it on will activate the card payment feature for your Stripe account. As a best practice, ensure that this feature is activated so you can start accepting debit card payments right away. Once you've completed the step, you're essentially ready to start using your debit card as a payment method within the Stripe framework. While these actions are relatively simple, remember that the settings you choose in Stripe should align with your business's payment requirements and customer preferences. Therefore, it might be beneficial to take a few extra minutes to review any other available payment options in this section, to ensure you're utilizing all tools Stripe offers to support your business operations. And that's how you add a debit card to Stripe. By following these steps carefully, you ensure that your Stripe account is set up to handle debit card transactions efficiently. Just remember to revisit these settings as your business needs evolve to keep your payment processing up to date with the growth and changes in your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your Stripe setup and enhances your business operations. Feel free to leave any questions or comments, and I'll be happy to assist you further. Until next time, take care, and best of luck with your business endeavors.